Hello, my name's Felicity Sullivan and I'm a French mortgage consultant at International Private Finance. Here at IPF we specialise in arranging mortgages for clients who are looking to purchase properties overseas. Today I'm going to be talking to you about some of the key differences between the French and the UK mortgage market. This is especially important because you would find it very difficult to arrange a UK mortgage to purchase a property overseas in France. So, the first major difference between the UK and France in regards to mortgages is the way that French look at property as an asset. In the UK, it's relatively easy to release equity from your property through a refinance or increasing your existing mortgage facility without actually having to sell the property. In France, however, you really need to arrange your mortgage at the point of purchase. Otherwise, you would find it extremely difficult to release any equity at a later stage without selling the property. Broadly speaking, the mortgages on offer in France aren't too dissimilar to the products available in the UK, in that there would be repayment, interest-only mortgages, also on a fixed and a variable basis. One of the main advantages of the French products available is that you can fix the mortgage for the entire life of the loan. That means that you could fix your mortgage up to 25 years. Now this is obviously very different to the 2-year fixed rates we're used to in the UK, and it also means that there isn't the same appetite for remortgaging that we're used to. It's therefore crucial that you make sure you choose the right product at the point of purchase. One of the most frequently asked questions we get here at IPF is whether or not you can take out an interest-only mortgage. Interest-only mortgages are available with the French banks, however they aren't as common, so the criteria can be slightly more stringent. In the same way, buy-to-let mortgages don't really exist in France, and the French banks would never use your future rental income when assessing your eligibility for a mortgage. It would always be based on your current financial situation. When it comes to calculating how much you could borrow, the French banks focus on a debt-to-income ratio, as opposed to an income multiple that we might perhaps be used to here in the UK. So, say for example, a UK bank may be prepared to lend you up to 5 times your gross annual income. The debt-to-income ratio focuses on the level of committed expenditure you have on a monthly basis against your monthly income. Now that committed expenditure is things like mortgages, credit cards and other personal and perhaps car loans. Ideally, the French banks want to see that you're not spending out more than 1/3 of the income that you bring in every month in this committed expenditure. The French mortgage process can be a fairly bureaucratic process with lots and lots of paperwork involved, the majority of which will probably be in French. Although there may be English-speaking account managers at the banks who would look after you, they might not be able to understand the intricacies of your personal circumstances. We've had a number of clients who have approached banks directly in France, only to be refused because their financial situation wasn't properly understood. We were then able to resubmit their application and obtain a full financial approval. As you can see, there are a number of differences between the UK and French mortgage process. Instructing a broker to guide you through this will help in a number of different ways. Firstly, they will be there to support you through the entire buying process in France, not just arranging the mortgage. They will also be able to pass on to you certain savings which wouldn't be available if you were to approach a bank directly, such as discounted arrangement fees and also discounted rates. And most importantly, as they have access to the entire French mortgage market, you can ensure that you select the right product for you at the point of purchase. If you'd like any further information or you would like to receive a personalised quote for a French mortgage, please feel free to contact a member of our team directly or visit our website at www.internationalprivatefinance.com.